So it completely changed the way I practice dentistry. Dual shaper is not too stiff. It helps us to handle the cases and prevent ledges formation.
Hello, this is Cherry from Denco. This is Dr. Dan. Welcome to Denco booth. Okay, and also dentist. Precision is fundamental in your daily work. How important is magnification in your practice?
For doing auto treatment, our precision matters. So in order to increase our precision, the positioning of the brackets during bond-out visits is super important. So with the help of magnification, we can place our brackets in the most precise position, hence increasing the ease of doing finishing in later stages.
After using the Denco microscope, what impressed you most?
Actually, I started using Denco microscope since a year ago. So it completely changed the way I practice dentistry. Why? Because Denco microscope provides a very bright light, and not only that, it has a very long eyepiece that prevents me from bending my body too much. So now I'm able to work long clinical hours without having any backaches.
You don't perform endodontist every day. When you tried the dual shaper, how did you feel it?
Well, actually, my clinic is based in Ipoh, a town in Malaysia where we have aging population. So we do come across a number of endodontic patients. Well, for the first time I used dual shaper, I find it very small because due to its unique design, the diameter is small and it helps me to engage to those tight and narrow canals more easily. So it definitely is my handling of the rotary files when treating my patients.
Was it easy to control?
Yes, due to its unique design, dual shaper is not too stiff and we are able to pre-curve the file while handling the cases with curved canal or distal exit of the canals. It helps us to handle the cases and prevent ledges formation.
Would you recommend this system to colleagues who value precision?
Yes, absolutely. In modern dentistry, while we are doing endodontic treatment, I feel like the highest standard right now is a good microscope like Denco microscope and good rotary file system. So Denco doesn't only have dual shaper, it does have other system like ProPath, which is very good, which is part of my arsenal in doing my daily endodontic treatments. Thank you.
Thank you so much.